Use disposable barriers and careful tool placement to keep wet sealant from turning a job into a cleanup nightmare. When working with wet sealant, set up disposable drop cloths or lawn bags around the work area and secure them so they do not shift while you move. Keep all tools and hardware off the floor and away from the sealant path by placing them on a covered tray or a raised platform like a temporary board. This prevents accidental knockovers and transfer of sticky material. Wear nitrile or latex gloves that fit well and change them if they get torn or heavily soiled, and avoid touching your face or clothing while handling sealant. Have separate, clearly labeled rags and cleaning solvents for the type of sealant you are using, and clean tools immediately after use according to manufacturer directions. For silicone, use mineral spirits only where recommended, and for polyurethane, use a suitable solvent or warm soapy water if the product allows. Keep a small plastic scraper and a fresh utility blade nearby for controlled removal of excess sealant before it skins over, working from the substrate outward to prevent smearing. Finally, plan your workflow so wet sealant is applied last in any sequence of tasks that generate dust or foot traffic, and block off the area until the sealant cures to avoid tracked messes. 3 common mistakes are placing tools or parts on unprotected surfaces, waiting too long to clean tools and hands, and failing to control foot traffic. Leaving screws, rulers, or buckets on unprotected floors invites sticky contamination and surface stains, so always use a covered tray or raised support. Letting sealant dry on brushes or nozzles makes cleanup far harder and can ruin tools, so soak and wipe tools immediately after use following product guidance. Ignoring movement through the work area means shoes and clothing spread sealant broadly, so cordon off the space and post a simple barrier or sign to keep people out until tack-free. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare projects in our community discussion area to learn what others experienced. We connect contractors to nearby work opportunities and keep a discussion community where both homeowners and professionals share practical tips and warnings.